It is a great honor to stand before you on this significant occasion, the signing of the Government of Timor-Leste and Japan International Cooperation Agency. This event marks another important milestone. Face unique challenges in building a resilient infrastructure with frequent natural disasters such as heavy rain, flood, and landslide. Unpaved, strengthened road network is not only a matter of convenience, it is a matter of natural resilience and safety. Therefore, the provision of essential equipment, including ensuring reliable connectivity for community and swift response during emergencies. For more than 2 decades, JICA has stood along the Timor-Leste in the national capacity building and infrastructure improvement, including the recent provision of 26 units of heavy equipment. Today's program builds on the foundation and reflects our shared vision of sustainable development. Following Timor-Leste's official access, infrastructure will be key to unlock economic opportunities and strengthen religious integration. We are confident that this initiative will contribute to inclusive growth and enhance Timor-Leste's role in the region. Thank you and obrigado, Barak.
Thank you, Mr. Gomori. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us cordially invite the Excellency Minister of Finance, Ms. Santina Diegas Cardoso, for her speech.
His Excellency Ambassador of Japan. I know that ambassadors would be here, but I believe that representatives from the embassies here, the Chief of Mission of JICA Timor-Leste, Mr. Fukumori Daisuke, His Excellency Minister of Foreign Affairs. But I know that Minister Bendito is not here, but DGs and then our Corps Diplomatic from Timor-Leste abroad, and some of them are here. And then also His Excellency Vice Minister of Public Works, Mr. Governu, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, also DG from the Public Works, Minister of Finance, especially for the President of IGIADE. That's why we are still be here for the assistance that will support the IGIADE. On behalf of the Government of Timor-Leste, allow me to extend a very warm welcome to all of you to this important ceremony of the JICA Grant Agreement for the provision of heavy equipment to IGIADE under the Minister of Public Works. Let me also express our sincere appreciation to the government and the people of Japan to their steadfast friendship and strategic partnership with Timor-Leste. This generous grant of approximately $3 million is a clear demonstration of Japan's commitment to support Timor-Leste's effort towards sustainable development and greater resilience. Today's agreement builds on a long history of Japanese cooperation with Timor-Leste in the roads and infrastructure sector. For many years now, JICA has worked side by side with the Ministry of Public Works and its technical service to strengthen road maintenance, planning, asset management, and engineering skills, including through the project for capacity development of road service in Timor-Leste. The project helped develop systems and human resources that now underpin IGIADE as an institution. In this sense, the heavy equipment that we are signing for today is not an isolated intervention, but the continuation of a long-term effort to build a professional and capable machinery for road maintenance and emergency response. JICA technical assistant training and on-the-job support over the years have contributed directly to the creation and strengthening of IDIADE itself, and to the establishment of its road brigades that are now operating across the country under the Ministry of Public Works. This support responds directly to a critical need identified by our government to strengthen the capacity of IDIADE to maintain and rehabilitate our national road network. The provision of modern equipment for road works will help ensure safer, more reliable connectivity for our community, particularly in the face of increasing climate-related risks such as flood and landslides. A reliable and well-maintained road system is the backbone of our economic and social development. It connects farmer to market, student to the school, patient to the hospital, and business to the new opportunity. And by improving connectivity and reducing transport costs, this grant will contribute to greater economic activity, social inclusion, and territorial cohesion throughout our country. Beyond the physical machinery today, grant agreement also an investment in our institution in the long-term capacity of the Timor-Leste state. By strengthening IDIADE and the Ministry of Public Works, this project supports our strategic development plan and our vision for a professional, capable, and self-reliant public administration that can design, operate, and maintain critical infrastructure for our people. Today's ceremony institution and partners like JICA, the Ministry of Finance, the Ministry of Public Works, JICA, and Embassy of Japan have worked closely together to make this agreement a reality, guided by a shared objective of delivering concrete benefit to the people of Timor-Leste. The government of Timor-Leste is fully committed to ensuring the transparency, efficient, and effective use of this grant. We will work hand in hand with the Ministry of Public Works and IDIADE to ensure that the equipment is properly managed, maintained, and deployed where it is most needed, so that this investment delivers maximum impact on the ground. Once again, I would like to express our deep gratitude to the government and the people of Japan, to His Excellency Ambassador, and to JICA for their continued trust and support over many years in building the capacity of our institution and our people. Our friendship and cornerstone of Timor-Leste development journey, and we look forward to further strengthen the partnership in the year ahead as we work together for more as prosperous, connected, and resilient Timor-Leste. Muito obrigada, arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you.
Thank you, Excellency. Ladies and gentlemen, now we have arrived at our main agenda, the signing of grant agreement between Japan International Cooperation Agency and the Government Republic of Timor-Leste. I would like to invite the representative of each party, the Excellency Vice Minister of Finance, Mr. Pino Viegas Cardozo, and the Chief Representative of JICA in Timor-Leste Office, Mr. Daisuke Fukumori, to please come forward for the signing. I am also pleased to invite His Excellency Vice Minister of Public Works, Mr. Julio Governu, to accompany on the signing of the grant agreement. Of Japan Embassy in Timor-Leste. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause. Excellencies, please stay at the stage for photography session. I'm also pleased to the President of EGAD, General Director, Executive Director, National Director from Minister of Finance, Minister for Foreign Affairs, Public Works to have a photo session in the stage. Now it's my pleasure to invite His Excellency Vice Minister of Public Works, Mr. Governu, to closing the ceremony. His Excellency, the time is yours.
Excelência Ministra das Finanças, Excelência colega representante do JICA, Presidente JICA, Ekonómiku, Sosiál, Nenek, Representante Sosiál, masih lebih participar ia dah ulah boleh para kampung desa laut terlalu kualitas yang baik. Nebe ia dah ulah boleh tanah ubikan barat, boleh ubikan barat bah embesada Jepang diusinya agensi JICA nebe kotulunga como Timor Leste diusi ajuda diusi nessa for alat berat sudah nawalete kata osan miliar dolar Amerikano sudah berhiasa berarti hola sasasila atau sudah Timor Timor atau hadiah yang tangan sila di Timor Leste atau yang besar atau halaman Timor Leste. Albane mafami amirusu ma povo Zapal liusi JICA atau nafati ajuda ami e futuro. Tamba Zapal laos foi maka hahu atau ajuda Timor Leste. Mas desde início Timor Leste ajuda orang berparah militar sila may ajuda ami halo. Engenheiro militar sila may ajuda halo dalam sila di Timor Leste. Mas às vezes para que ajuda Timor Leste di desenvolvimento dia raida. Albane ami husu kaya nafati paoi atau nafati halo kolaborasi dengan dia po povo Timor Leste, comunidade Timor Leste para nunge paoi integração dia que maka ita halo dia futuro e nafati mos ia passado mos bele ba futuro nafati meti e dia habitado. Ami adesso vice-ministro infrastruttura deve abitene abang ministro seiba kata Saudi jadiu abang maka ami mahene pratu bele atole dia kontrol ada semen parak pa povo Zapal liusi embaixador Zapalnya deve maka si bisa hamutu ho ni agência ao Timor Leste. Ami na Salfon automaticamente ami kusu ajuda para Sosiál itu. Tambahnya maka ansa sepan deve ba koiloro ni akara ajuda ami ni hanya sebuah tidak ke maroma mai tu dia ami nya baboto. Ami kusu na fati ba oi kalau bersama jane eki na fati dia na fati liliu ajuda sila deve maka hanesan treinamento para a minha malu Timor Leste deve maka lalu dia ski kon aba mekaniknya kon aba lori alesan alat deve maka amila ia di Timor foi magia foi gunakan ami foi magia automaticamente ami emosione lalu ia ski para bele awas saja mas nafati ba oi busura Zaida atau nafati halo kolaborasi dengan dia ko aminia lalu Timor Leste betul Timor Leste memang kohilor lalu ia skill ne usama bele facilita para bele sigamos bele contribuir que desenvolvimento nacional Timor Leste oleh Hanoi em nome Ministério Obras Públicas, Família e Obras Públicas, no Timor Leste, como Timor Leste nada, a mi gusto, obrigado para hoje representa o JICA, na fatin a mi gusto da pode ser para nós. Olha Hanoi dia for na mere, ai dia for rumah lalu pas pakai kita pode ser Hanoi, hawa essa tema você desculpa. Botar o autor.
Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, our ceremony comes to its end. Thank you very much for your presence on behalf of the government of Timor Leste and for your continued support for the development of our country. We hope our close partnership can continue well into the future. Last but not least, everyone is invited for refreshment in the hall.